How to log into Foxtel Go account. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to log into your Foxtel Go account. So in order to log in, you need to make sure that you have already created your account. Then to begin with, first of all, open up a browser. You can also use an application on your mobile device. Either way, the procedures can remain the same. So on the web address bar, type in www.foxtelgo.com.au, and I'll make sure to drop the link as well on my description box below. When you press on it, it's going to directly take you to the official webpage of Foxtel Go, and it's going to look something like this. While you're on this page, click the login button from the top right and then select the account type, and when you do that, it's going to take you to other field where you need to go ahead and enter in your credential. That could either be your email address or username, and then the password associated with your Foxtel Go account. So here, go through the information and then enter in the account, and once you've done entering your following information, make sure to mark on I'm not a robot and click the login button. As you've done that, you'll have successfully logged into your account. However, if you're unable to log in, then you can try resetting your information by tapping on forgot username or forgot password, and that's going to help you recover your account. So that's how you can log in into your Foxtel Go account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.